Morning, miss. Homework already, miss? I just miss. It in my bag. Google Classroom, miss. But, miss, I don't know to do that. You know to do that?
Of course I can. In today's video, we're going to be teaching you how to send in your assignments on Google Classroom. Cue the intro. Now, remember, keep your eyes open, pay attention. Don't miss a step. Click the classroom icon. Great. Just ensure that you are in the right account. Click the accounts icon at the top and make sure that you are signed in to the correct account. In this case, I will sign in to Liquidities. As you can see, I have a lot of classes. So you want to ensure that you check for any homework that you may have. Click the menu. In the menu, you will see the option To Do. Click it. In To Do, you will see a list of all the assignments that you have been assigned. Let's click on Done. As you can see, I have already done some of mine. So let's go back to Do. Here you see we have Bio, English, and Language. I will now open my biology assignment, and it is the first one due. I click on the title Biology. Below, I can comment under the assignment and all of my classmates will be able to see it. Or I can just give the teacher a private comment. I will now click the up arrow. Click the plus sign. As you can see, I can attach the homework. This means that I have already done the assignment. I could open my Google Drive, I could send a link, or I could upload the file from my computer. Or I could create a new document. I will choose to create a new document. So I click New Docs. Excellent. I will now complete my assignment. I am completing my work in Google Docs. I have finally finished my assignment. Now that I'm done, I'm going to back to the classroom. Notice the button Hand In. I could do it on my computer, but then I would have to attach it. I could also write it in a book, but then I would need to take a picture and attach it. In this case, I have done it in Google Docs, so I'll just hand it in. Click Hand In. It will now show me that I have one attachment and ask me if I want to hand in the work. Click Hand In. I have the option to unsubmit if I want to make any changes. See how that's easy? Okay, let us look at another way we could have done the assignment. But of course, we would have to go class by class. We could have gone into the classroom, click on the class I want to go to, and click the classwork tab. See, there is my assignment. I click the assignment and I will continue as I did before. Now, you go and hand in your assignment. Now, I know everyone wanted this tutorial. If it helped, share it with your friends, share it with your classmates, share it with your school, share it with your teachers, share it to everyone over Jamaica. This is Little Wizzies, and we will see you in the next tutorial. Remember to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications.